All right, family, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, we're about 25 minutes from Frisco, Texas, one of the most pretty much big cities out in the north side of Dallas. Yeah, in the north side of Dallas. Here, we're gonna be in Celina, Texas, 25 minutes just from Frisco. I'm gonna be showing you guys what 363,000 looks like. This one's gonna be a model home. It's gonna come as is, meaning no extra upgrades. As always, let me take you guys to the outside and give you guys a better look of the neighborhood and also the home within itself. So keep in mind, guys, this is going to be just the pretty much the exterior of the home. So as you guys take a look, this is going to be the exterior, and obviously this neighborhood is going to have the golf course. It's going to have amenities, playgrounds, everything for families. This neighborhood just opened not too long ago, maybe about 5 to 4 months ago. So as you guys can see, they're still building the neighborhood. All the empty land is just lots that are available. But this is going to be the one. Check it out. Beautiful exterior. Beautiful exterior. It's gonna be around 2,400 square feet, about a 4-bed, 2-bath. And let me show you guys the inside of this beautiful home. All right, so once we're inside, sorry, I had to cut off the video. This is a model home, so pretty much people are walking in and out. But guys, let me share with you guys. This was going for 362. Those floor plans are gonna be able to be done by May or April. As you guys can see, this one's gonna be 362 down payment or something like this, could be around $12,000. And you guys, this one's gonna be close to 2,400 square feet. It's gonna be a 4-bed, 2.5 bath. It's gonna have its own designed dining room, which is so cool and so unique. A lot of places don't have that anymore, which they get smaller and smaller. But this one, it's gonna have the only thing about it's going to have the garage entrance on the back, so that would be something for you guys to keep in mind. Monthly payment on something like this with the minimum down payment could be close to $2,700 a month if you qualify for all the FHA benefits. Right now, they're doing a 3.99%. Check it out. Fridge would go there. You would still have a lot of countertop space on here. Most of these appliances are included: stove, microwave, dishwasher. This is going to be the pantry. And this is going to be another view of the home itself. All right, so since the backyard is already here, let me show it to you. This is going to be the covered patio. This one's probably not going to have the biggest backyard just because this is a smaller product, but for the price point, it doesn't get any much better than this. So that's pretty much the backyard. Remember that this one has the garage on the entrance. So some people like it a little bit more because it's more privacy. Some people don't. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about that. All right, so we're going to the back of the home. It's gonna have the staircase to go upstairs. This is gonna be the primary bedroom. This is gonna be a half bath for all the guests. So check it out. The cool thing about it, so this would be the laundry space. It's the laundry space, which is the construction office as well. The cool thing about this is that what you see is what you get. Pretty much comes as is with no added on upgrades, meaning the only thing that's added is just the paint on the walls and also the furniture. Everything else comes as is, which a lot of people love because you're not getting misled by a model home. So this is going to be the primary bedroom. It's actually a really good size. This is the primary bathroom, 2 sinks, 2 nice sinks there. You also have the shower. Stand-up shower with a nice little bench there. All right, this would be your toilet room. It's fully closed. Some more shelves there. And this would be the closet. Not a bad size closet for this price point. Remember, we're at 362,000. So this is actually probably the lowest price 2-story home in Celina, Texas. Celina, Texas is part of Collin County, and Collin County, as you guys know, It's the county where Frisco is at, and a lot of other places, well-known places like Prosper. It's been growing for a while, and Collin County definitely takes care of their schools and also overall the cities. Check it out. This is going to be the little game room upstairs. I really love the fact that these are open rails, open railings. So meaning it comes standard there. That is not an upgrade. Comes standard with the home. So that's going to be your game room. On this one, it might be a little bit challenging to put a TV. So maybe the TV could probably go underneath the windows, but it's more like a sitting area, really. And this is pretty much the overview to the downstairs. These are about 18-foot high ceilings, so a lot of people love those. Upstairs, we're gonna have 3 more bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So this would be bedroom number 2. Most of these bedrooms are gonna be about the average size, about 10 by 11 or so. So not the biggest, but also not the smallest. And the closet space, not too bad. That's gonna be bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 3. This one's gonna be a little bit bigger. They designed it really nice for like your daughters and all of for a daughter room. Yeah, and this one's gonna have a good size closet. So definitely this one. And we're gonna be taking a look at bedroom number 4. It's gonna be the final bedroom. This one might be smaller than all of them, but they kind of put a little bit there to give you the idea of what it will look like. The closet on this one's not bad at all. But let me show you guys the bathroom that's upstairs. This would be the bathroom, full bathroom with the little tub and shower. And then here we're gonna have just 1 sink. They made it look really nice. But yes, in terms of numbers, monthly payment could be close to $2,700 a month if you use the builder's preferred lender. That's for all the FHA buyers. So down payment could be close to $13,000 or so. I'm gonna put the actual down payment on the title of the video. But you guys, if y'all want to come see this one, they're pre-selling them. As you guys know, the price on something like this is for just this week of February. So every home is subject to change. Same thing with incentives. They're always subject to change. But if you guys want to come out and take a look at these, feel free to book a call using the link in my bio. Or you can just simply send me a message to 214-713-4398 and I'll be more than happy to take care of you guys.